You won't believe what Princess Cruises just delivered with their Discovery Princess. This ship is redefining what a premium cruise experience should look like. I've sailed on dozens of ships over the years, and this one caught me completely off guard with features I've never seen before. After spending a week aboard this floating city, I discovered why Discovery Princess is quickly becoming the talk of the cruise world. From revolutionary stateroom technology to dining venues that rival shoreside restaurants, this ship proves that Princess Cruises isn't just keeping up with the competition, they're leaving them in the dust. Let me take you through everything this incredible vessel has to offer, because trust me, you're going to want to book your next vacation after hearing what I found. The staterooms on Discovery Princess are where the magic truly begins, and Princess has clearly learned from passenger feedback over the years. The interior cabins might not have windows, but they've packed them with smart storage solutions that make the space feel surprisingly roomy for 2 people. Ocean view cabins offer those classic porthole windows that remind you you're actually on a ship, not just in a fancy hotel room. The views change constantly as you sail, giving you a natural entertainment system that never gets old. But here's where Discovery Princess really shines: the balcony cabins. These aren't your typical cruise ship balconies that feel like afterthoughts. Princess designed these with actual relaxation in mind, complete with comfortable seating and enough space to actually enjoy your morning coffee without feeling cramped. The suites take luxury to another level entirely. We're talking separate living areas, walk-in closets, and bathrooms that feel more like spa retreats than ship facilities. Some suites even come with butler service, which honestly feels a bit over the top until you experience having someone anticipate your every need. What really impressed me was the technology integration throughout all cabin categories. Every room features MedallionNet Wi-Fi that actually works, smart lighting you can control from your phone, and interactive TV systems that let you order room service or book shore excursions without picking up the phone. The accessible cabins deserve special mention because Princess clearly put thought into making these spaces functional without sacrificing style. Roll-in showers, lowered closet bars, and wider doorways show they understand that accessibility should never mean settling for less comfort. Family suites solve the age-old problem of where to put the kids without breaking the bank on multiple cabins. These connecting rooms give parents their own space while keeping the family together, complete with bunk beds that kids actually get excited about. Now let's talk about food, because Discovery Princess has completely revolutionized cruise dining in ways that will make you forget you're even on a ship. The main dining room serves up classic cruise fare, but they've elevated the quality to restaurant standards you'd find in major cities. Sabatini's Italian trattoria brings authentic Italian flavors that transport you straight to Rome. The pasta is made fresh daily, and their osso buco is so tender it falls off the bone without any effort. This isn't your typical cruise ship Italian food, it's the real deal. Crown Grill Steakhouse caters to meat lovers with dry-aged steaks that rival the best steakhouses on land. The wine selection pairs perfectly with every cut, and the intimate atmosphere makes it perfect for special occasions or when you just want to treat yourself. Kai Sushi offers fresh sushi that somehow tastes like it came from a coastal restaurant, not a ship kitchen in the middle of the ocean. The fish quality is exceptional, and the presentation is Instagram-worthy without trying too hard. The Salty Dog Gastropub brings casual dining to a whole new level with gourmet burgers and craft beer selections that actually include local brews from ports of call. It's the perfect spot when you want great food without the formality. International Cafe serves up grab-and-go options that don't taste like afterthoughts. Fresh pastries, quality coffee, and light meals make this the perfect spot for those mornings when you want to eat quickly and get on with your day. The World Fresh Marketplace buffet has broken every negative stereotype about cruise ship buffets. The food stations are constantly refreshed, the variety spans global cuisines, and the quality rivals specialty restaurants on other ships. Princess Live serves up entertainment dining where talented performers create an atmosphere while you enjoy your meal. It's dinner and a show without the cheesy cruise ship entertainment vibe that can feel forced. The bars throughout the ship each have their own personality, from the sophisticated wine bar with sommelier recommendations to the casual pool deck bars that keep the tropical drinks flowing all day long. The pool deck on Discovery Princess feels more like a resort than a cruise ship, and that's clearly intentional. The main pool area stays lively throughout the day with music and activities, but it never feels overcrowded thanks to smart space planning. The Sanctuary Adult-Only Retreat offers a completely different vibe for those seeking peace and quiet. Comfortable loungers, attentive service, and a no-kids policy create the perfect escape when you need to recharge. The infinity pools create that illusion of water extending into the ocean horizon, making for incredible photo opportunities and a unique swimming experience. The water temperature is perfectly maintained, making these pools enjoyable even on cooler sea days. Multiple whirlpools scattered around the deck mean you're never waiting in line to soak and relax. They are strategically placed to offer both social atmospheres and quieter spots depending on your mood. The sun deck loungers are actually comfortable enough to spend hours on, with cushions that don't feel like afterthoughts. Shade structures provide relief when the sun gets too intense, showing Princess understands that not everyone wants to bake all day. Movies Under the Stars brings the drive-in theater experience to the middle of the ocean. Watching classic films while floating through the Caribbean creates memories you simply can't recreate anywhere else. The onboard activities on Discovery Princess cater to every energy level and interest, from adrenaline junkies to those who prefer more relaxed pursuits. The fitness center features state-of-the-art equipment with ocean views that make working out feel less like a chore. The rock climbing wall challenges guests of all skill levels, with different routes ranging from beginner-friendly to expert-level climbs. The safety equipment and instruction ensure everyone can participate regardless of experience. Basketball and volleyball courts provide space for friendly competition, and the staff organizes tournaments that bring out everyone's competitive side in the best possible way. These aren't just empty courts, they're actively used community spaces. The theater productions rival Broadway shows with professional performers, elaborate costumes, and staging that makes you forget you're on a ship. The sound and lighting systems create an immersive experience that entertainment venues on land would envy. Game shows and trivia nights tap into that competitive spirit while keeping things light and fun. The cruise staff knows how to engage crowds without making anyone feel uncomfortable about participating. Art auctions and cooking demonstrations appeal to those seeking more cultural or educational experiences. These aren't just time fillers, they're genuinely interesting activities led by knowledgeable experts. The casino offers everything from slot machines to poker tables for those feeling lucky. The atmosphere stays lively without becoming overwhelming, and the staff maintains that perfect balance of friendly and professional. The spa and wellness facilities on Discovery Princess transform the concept of shipboard relaxation into something approaching luxury resort standards. The Lotus Spa spans multiple decks with treatment rooms that offer ocean views during your massage or facial. The thermal suite includes saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers that create a European spa experience in the middle of the ocean. The relaxation spaces encourage you to spend entire afternoons unwinding between treatments. Yoga classes on the top deck combine fitness with stunning ocean views that change throughout your practice. The instructors adapt sessions for all skill levels, making these classes accessible whether you're a beginner or advanced practitioner. The fitness bootcamp classes provide high-intensity workouts that take advantage of the ship's unique environment. Working out on a moving vessel adds an extra challenge that makes these sessions more engaging than typical gym classes. Meditation sessions in quiet corners of the ship offer mental wellness opportunities that help you truly disconnect from daily stress. These aren't just scheduled activities, they're genuine wellness experiences. The salon services include everything from haircuts to manicures, perfect for maintaining your vacation look or preparing for formal nights. The stylists understand cruise fashion and can help you look your best for photos. Personal training sessions take advantage of the ship's unique fitness facilities while providing customized workouts that you can continue at home. The trainers understand that vacation fitness should enhance your experience, not dominate it. The kids and teens programs on Discovery Princess prove that family cruising doesn't mean parents sacrifice their own enjoyment for their children's entertainment. The Kids Club features age-appropriate activities that keep children engaged while giving parents time to relax. Teen lounges provide that crucial social space where adolescents can meet peers without feeling like they're stuck in little kid programs. The activities strike that difficult balance between structured fun and independent social time. The supervised activities range from arts and crafts to more active games, ensuring that kids with different interests and energy levels all find something appealing. The staff-to-child ratios ensure proper supervision while maintaining a fun atmosphere. Family-friendly amenities throughout the ship mean parents don't have to choose between adult spaces and keeping their children happy. Pool areas include shallow sections for young swimmers, and dining venues offer kid-friendly options without limiting adult choices. Special services for children include everything from babysitting to character meet and greets that create those magical vacation memories families treasure for years. The staff genuinely enjoys working with children, which shows in the quality of these programs. The ports of call and shore excursions offered through Discovery Princess showcase some of the most beautiful destinations in the Caribbean and Mediterranean. Each itinerary is carefully planned to maximize time in port while ensuring smooth sailing between destinations. The shore excursions range from cultural tours that dive deep into local history to adventure activities like snorkeling and ziplining. Princess works with local operators to ensure authentic experiences that benefit the communities you visit. Beach days in destinations like Cozumel and Barbados offer that perfect tropical paradise experience, with excursions that include everything from beach chair rentals to water sports equipment. The logistics are handled seamlessly, so you just enjoy the experience. Cultural tours in European ports provide expert guides who bring history to life without feeling like boring school field trips. These excursions are designed for cruise passengers who want to learn while having fun. Adventure excursions cater to those seeking more active experiences, from hiking volcanic islands to exploring underwater caves. The safety standards and equipment quality ensure these adventures are thrilling without being dangerous. Shopping tours in various ports help you find authentic local products while avoiding tourist traps. The guides understand what cruise passengers want and direct you to genuine local artisans and markets. Private excursions offer more personalized experiences for those willing to invest in exclusive access to destinations. These smaller group tours provide more intimate experiences and greater flexibility in scheduling. Overall, Discovery Princess represents Princess Cruises at their absolute best, combining traditional cruise elegance with modern innovations that enhance every aspect of the experience. The ship feels both familiar and fresh, honoring cruise traditions while embracing new technologies and design concepts. The service throughout the ship maintains that princess standard of attentive without being intrusive. Staff members remember your preferences and anticipate your needs without making you feel like you're being watched constantly. The ship's size strikes the perfect balance between offering extensive amenities and maintaining an intimate atmosphere where you're not constantly fighting crowds. You'll recognize faces by the end of the week without feeling trapped in a small space. The attention to detail shows in everything from the quality of linens to the selection of entertainment options. Princess clearly listened to passenger feedback and incorporated improvements that address common cruise complaints. Areas for improvement are honestly minor compared to the overall experience. Some specialty restaurants book up quickly, so early reservations are essential. The Wi-Fi, while improved, still struggles during peak usage times. The unique selling points of Discovery Princess set it apart from every other ship in the Princess fleet and most competitors in the premium cruise market. MedallionClass technology integration creates a seamless experience from boarding to disembarkation. The Sky Suite accommodations offer luxury that rivals high-end hotels with ocean views that no land-based resort can match. These aren't just bigger rooms, they're completely reimagined living spaces designed for extended stays. The partnership with celebrity chefs brings restaurant-quality dining to sea in ways that previous cruise ships never achieved. You're not settling for cruise food, you're experiencing destination-quality cuisine while traveling between destinations. The environmental initiatives, including advanced wastewater treatment and energy-efficient systems, appeal to conscious travelers who want to enjoy cruising without compromising their environmental values. The Ocean Medallion wearable technology eliminates the frustration of traditional cruise cards while enabling personalized service that feels magical rather than intrusive. Your preferences follow you throughout the ship without requiring constant requests. The event and conference facilities on Discovery Princess cater to business travelers and special celebrations with professional-grade audiovisual equipment and dedicated event planning staff. These spaces transform cruise vacations into productive business retreats or memorable celebration venues. Meeting rooms feature ocean views that make even the most mundane business discussions more pleasant. The technology integration ensures presentations run smoothly without the technical difficulties that plague many conference venues. Wedding and celebration packages take advantage of the ship's elegant spaces and stunning backdrops to create unforgettable events. The planning staff handles every detail, allowing hosts to actually enjoy their own celebrations. Guest experience highlights from Discovery Princess consistently focus on those unexpected moments that transform good vacations into unforgettable experiences. Passengers regularly share stories about staff members who went above and beyond, like the bartender who remembered their drink preference from day one or the housekeeping staff who created towel animals that delighted their children. The surprise amenities often include things like complimentary room upgrades when available, special recognition for anniversaries and birthdays, and personalized recommendations based on observed preferences. These touches feel genuine rather than scripted. The personalized experiences range from custom shore excursion recommendations based on your interests to dining reservations that account for your dietary preferences and schedule. The staff pays attention to details that enhance your experience without being asked. One passenger shared how the entertainment staff noticed their shy teenager and gradually encouraged participation in activities, ultimately helping the teen make friends and gain confidence. These human connections create vacation memories that last far beyond the tan lines. Another family described how the chef personally prepared a special meal for their child with severe food allergies, going far beyond typical accommodation to ensure the child felt included in every dining experience. This level of care transforms potentially stressful situations into positive memories. The surprise celebration arrangements, from cabin decorations for special occasions to unexpected treats delivered throughout the voyage, show that Princess understands that small gestures create big emotional impacts. Discovery Princess proves that Princess Cruises has successfully evolved cruise vacations into something that rivals the best resort experiences while maintaining the unique adventure that only cruising can provide. This ship doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines what those expectations should be.